To book your ACCA exam, log into your portal, click on My Qualification on the left hand side, then click on the red button on top, Book an Exam. After that, your exam booking portal will open. Then click on the right hand side, Add an Exam. Now select the attempt for which you want to book your exam and select the subject. Below that, click on the center. Then select the city from which you want to write the examination. After that, you confirm and then again click on the subject for which you have booked the exam. There you will see the details. You need to accept the terms and condition and add this to your plan. So now the examination gets added to your cart. Then click on confirm availability to book the appropriate center. Please note remote examinations are no longer available. You have to write exam at the center. So check the center availability before you make the payment. Then select the date of the examination, which is going to be pre-decided. After that, you will get the available centers in your city and also the options of the nearest location in another city. So select the appropriate center and over here also select the time of the examination. There are two slots, morning and afternoon. So select whichever is suitable for you and then check all the details before you confirm because these cannot be changed later on. After that, click on next and review your booking and confirm your booking. So your exam center, dates, all of that is now booked. All you have to now do is make the payment. Please note you need a debit or a credit card which accepts international payment. Then enter all the card details to make the payment, and after your payment has been done, your examination will be booked, and this is the confirmation that you're going to get.